Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Hello and welcome to the 197th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Bryan of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week: Rector Major's team visits East Asia Oceania. South Asia Provincial Conference meets. Missing tribe gets state-of-the-art recording studio. Youth build weirs to slow down water. The news in detail. Vietnam Rector Major's team visits East Asia Oceania. Father Joseph Nguyen Tridong reports from Ho Chi Minh City.
The Rector Major's East Asia Oceania team visit held at donbosco Retreat Center, Kalong Dalat, some 300 kilometers away from Ho Chi Minh City, concluded on 17 February. 94 conferences from the region participated, 10 of which were from Vietnam. In presenting the roadmap, Rector Major dwelt on Salesian identity, vitality of the Salesian charism, shared responsibility of the laity, and the quest to journey together towards the poor. Despite meager resources, he reminded the members about a formation that is a personal response to one's vocation, the need to qualify persons in Salesianity, youth ministry, and vocational animation, and the dangers of individualism. Social communication was stressed upon, which is focused on the charismatic, pastoral, and institutional aspects, and the need to be visible through the sending of news to both schooling and ends. Finally, Rector Major invited all to inspire a shared mission and an open style of charismatic Salesian formation in the Salesian family.
Father Joseph Nguyen Tridong reporting. In the heart of every dream lies the power to inspire. Introducing a timeless masterpiece that captures the essence of a visionary's dream. Behold the embodiment of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, a symbol of hope, compassion, and the unwavering spirit to make a difference. Transform any space into a sanctuary of inspiration with our exquisite statues and murals. Perfect for schools, churches, and community centers, a constant reminder of the power of dreams. Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. churchart.ganguly@gmail.com 919831020945. India South Asia Provincial Conference meets. Father John Parankimalil reports from New Delhi.
The Salesian Provincial Conference South Asia convened its assembly and council at Don Bosco Provincial House, Mattunga, Mumbai from 8th to 11th February 2024. Participants included provincials from India's 11 provinces and the Vice Province of Sri Lanka, provincial delegates, network and dimension heads with specially invited members totaling 42 participants. General Councillor for South Asia, Father Biju Michael, encapsulated the vision and aspirations of the Provincial Conference, emphasizing growth, transformation, and the paramount importance of youth-centric ministry. Former regionals Father Joachim de Souza and Maria Kanaga eloquently highlighted the convergence of significant events in the church, congregation and country, presenting challenges and opportunities for growth. The assembly sessions spanned diverse topics, including structural overviews, annual reports from various networks, and in-depth discussions on future perspectives and concerns.
Father John Paranki Malil reporting. India missing tribe gets state-of-the-art recording studio. Amika Gurung reports from Jorhat.
Keeping abreast of the times, the Institution for Culture and Rural Development, IGARD, inaugurated Zoom in Live, an international standard 5.1 audio-video recording studio and media education center at Bakchung, Jorhat in Upper Assam. The approximate budget of the project is 1 crore, of which a considerable portion is funded by a local benefactor. The missing tribe is the second largest tribal community in Assam, and they are scattered all around Upper Assam. Father K.A. Thomas started program for missing tribe in 1995. The young people from within the missing community are trained in various leadership skills to bring about economic development and social transformation. IGARD grew from very humble beginnings with a cultural campus, training center, museum, studio, library, and today operates under the aegis of Assam Tourism Development Corporation.
Amika Gurung reporting. Thailand Youth build weirs to slow down water. Father Sufot Ryungam reports from Songkhla.
53 grade 7 students from Salesian and Salesian sister schools from Songkhla province, along with teachers and parents representatives, did volunteer activities, nature conservation at Ton Nga Chang Wildlife Sanctuary, which spreads to Songkhla and Stone provinces of southern Thailand and Malaysia. Activities begin with listening to a lecture by head of Ton Nga Chang Wildlife Sanctuary on natural resource conservation and the role of the officials of the sanctuary. The students then volunteer to help collect trash and clean the area around the wildlife sanctuary. Together they built a weir to slow down the water at Ton Nga Chang waterfall. Weir reduces the intensity of water currents in the creek and helps retain sediment and various materials that flow down with the water into the creek. This helps increase biological diversity and becomes a habitat for aquatic animals.
Father Sufot Ryungam reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.